The ingenious antipesto have completely dealt with my rabbit problem. Isn't it marvellous?
Marvellous. Marvellous. This confounded contraption virtually suffocated me. Besides, the job's only half done. How do you intend to finish these vermin off? Crush them? Liquidize them?
They're humane.
Humane? Well, then, perhaps they'd be humane enough to give me back my dignity. I won't... To pay, please.
Oh, grand. We take cheque or cash?
To pay, you idiot. My hair is in your machine.
Oh, no, it's only rabbits in there. The hare, I think you'll find, is a much larger mammal.
Out of my way, fool.
Hey, don't push me.
I'm sorry, my dear, but I refuse to suffer any further humiliation at the hands of these blundering nitwits. I therefore bid you good day.
Thank you for ridding me of a real problem, Mr. Wallace. Tell me, what exactly will you do with all these rabbits?
Oh, trade secret.
Yes, I'd be happy to let them roam free if it wasn't for the competition. But they do so love their veg. It's in their little bunny natures, and you can't change that, can you?
No. Or can you?